Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I have a one sheet wonder card making template that I want to share with you that I think you're going to love. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have a one sheet wonder cutting template. Now, this cutting template is for a 6 by 6 inch piece of pattern paper, and you will be able to make 5 cards by using this one sheet wonder template. Now, the cards in this video feature the Greenery Lane Bundle from Stampin Up. So this is a brand new bundle that just launched with the January through April mini catalog. And so it has a stamp set and a coordinating die set. And one of my favorite things about this particular bundle is that you can also get this washi tape, this Greenery Lane washi tape. And that's what I created all these little elements with to decorate my one sheet wonder cards. And the dies in this particular bundle cut out all these little pieces of washi tape. And I'm also using just one of the dies from the Beautiful Motifs die set because I thought this particular die went really well with the Greenery Lane bundle. However, keep in mind you can use any pattern paper or supplies that you have on hand to create your cards. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to choose our pattern paper. I'm just using a double-sided sheet of one of the pattern papers from the Nature Walk Designer Series paper pack. And actually this paper pack is a 12 by 12 inch paper pack. So I just cut this piece down to 6 by 6 inches. So you can use any pattern paper. You just have to start with a 6 by 6. So you want to make sure it's double-sided because we're going to use both sides of the paper to create our 5 cards. The next thing you want to do is you want to print out the one sheet wonder template. So this template is included in the printable tutorial and you can get the link in the description below this video. So basically this template shows you how to cut your paper and it also gives you the details on which card each of those pieces of pattern paper will go with. So what I recommend anytime I put together a one sheet wonder, I always take some little Post-it notes and I just label them card number 1, card number 2, all the way through to card number 5. And then as I'm using the template to cut out my pattern paper, I take those pieces and I lay them right on the Post-it notes, and it makes it so much easier to assemble the card then. Then you don't have to measure all the pieces again. You know exactly which pieces go with which card. All right, so let's get started cutting our paper. Okay, so the best way to use this template is to take your 6 by 6 inch piece of pattern paper and you're just gonna put it in your paper trimmer and you're gonna cut it in half at 3 inches. So you're gonna have 2 pieces that are 3 by 6 inches. So we're going to start with one of them and we're going to use the top part of the template. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece again in half and we're going to end up with 2 3 by 3 inch square pieces. So now we're going to take one of these and we're just going to cut it into 1 inch strips. So you'll have 3 strips that are 1 by 3 inches. And so these 3 are going to go with card number 1. So I'm going to lay that on my Post-it note. Then this second piece here that is 3 by 3, we're going to cut this at 2 inches. So we're going to end up with a 3 by 2 and a 3 by 1. So the 3 by 2 inch piece goes with card number 2. And then the 3 by 1 inch piece goes with card number 4. So I just laid those pieces with my Post-it notes. Now we're going to go back to the piece that we started with in the beginning. So this is a 3 by 6 inch piece. And the first thing we want to do with this piece, so this is the bottom part of the template. So the first thing we want to do is we want to cut it at 4 inches. So we're going to cut right here. We're going to take this 4-inch piece and we're going to turn it to the 3-inch side. So it's 4 by 3. And we're going to cut a 1-inch piece. So this is 1 by 4. And then we're going to cut another 1 by 4. So we're going to be left with that 1 by 4, and we're going to cut this in half. So we'll end up with 2 pieces that are 4 by a 1/2 inch. So this is 4 by 1, 4 by 1, 4 by a 1/2, and 4 by a 1/2. So we're going to take a 4 by 1 and a 4 by a 1/2, and this will be for card number 3. And then this other 1/2 inch wide piece is going to be for card number 4. And then this 4 by 1 inch piece is going to be for card number 2. So that's why I said it's good to have those Post-it notes available so you can lay them right on the Post-it notes. All right, so then we're going to be left with this 2 by 3 inch piece. And this last piece, we're just going to cut it on that 3-inch side. We're going to cut it at 2 inches. So we're going to have a 2 by 2, and we're going to have a 2 by 1. And these 2 pieces are going to be for card number 5. Okay, so once you have finished cutting all the pieces from that template and you've laid them out on your Post-it note, you should have something that looks like this. And basically we're going to be using the front and the back of these pieces to put together our card designs. So for all of my cards, I am using some white cardstock, and the cardstock is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. So the first 2 cards are just going to be plain white. And then I used that die from the Beautiful Motifs. I used this die and just etched this design right into these other pieces. And so it partially die cuts this leaf design in here, which is really kind of fun because then you can tuck the little washi tape pieces in there. So I have 3 pieces here for the last couple of cards. So 2 are blank and 3 of them have the leaf design. So we're going to start with card number 1, and that is going to be my plain piece of paper. And so I'm going to take my pieces from card number 1. So you're basically just going to lay these out on the top part of the piece. And like I said, you can flip these over and use the back side so you get a little bit of contrast there. So this is going to be the basic design. We're just going to adhere these straight down the center of the card, just leaving a little bit of space in between each piece. All right, so that is the design for card number 1. I'm just going to flip these upside down as we put them together. So that's card number 1. Now we're going to look at card number 2. So we have 2 pieces here, and I'm just going to use them in this direction. So we're going to be adhering these kind of in the center. All right, so that is our design for card number 2. Card number 3 is where we're going to use this fun little die cut piece. And so for this one, we have that really thin 1/2 inch wide piece and then a 1 inch wide piece. So these 2 pieces are just going to get kind of tucked underneath. This one is going to get tucked underneath this leaf, and then this one's going to go right next to it. So we'll add this piece first, and I'm just going to tuck it under those partially die cut leaves, and then we'll just add this piece next to it. All right, so that is card number 3. That's the basic layout for that card. Card number 4, we are going to use that leaf design again, that partially die cut leaf, and we're going to use these pieces. So this time I'm going to add this piece underneath the leaves over here, and then we will add this piece on top. right, so that is the design for card number 4. And then for card number 5, I have another one of the leaf designs here, and then these last 2 pieces. So these pieces are basically just going to get adhered over on this side. So we're just gonna kind of tuck it under the leaf here and adhere it just like that. All right, so that is the design for card number 5. So now we can take all these pieces and we can add them right away to our card bases. So I have 5 card bases that I cut from Pretty Peacock cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of these pieces that we just put together to each of these card fronts. Okay, so I have added all of my pieces to my card bases, and so now I'm just really ready to decorate these any way that I choose. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I chose to use the Greenery Lane Bundle and some of the washi tape. And so that is how I decorated these cards. So I'm just going to show you side by side what the layout looks like and how I decorated it. And you can get all the instructions in the tutorial, which is linked in the description below this video. So it really is just a fun and simple one-sheet wonder, and I think it just works so well with this particular bundle and this little beautiful motifs dies. Now I'll just quickly show you how the washi tape works. All these little pieces that are on here were cut directly from the washi tape. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to choose a piece of white cardstock. But you're simply going to unroll this and you're going to add it to a piece of white cardstock. So that's what will obviously make it a lot easier for you to cut all these fun little leaf designs out with the dies. So you can really use any color cardstock you want, but I wanted, of course, my pieces to have, you know, that white background. And we'll just cut this off. And then you can just smooth out the washi tape on the piece of cardstock. And then the Greenery Lane dies cut out all of these little pieces that are on here. Each of the dies fits each of the different leaves that are on this particular washi tape. So you just lay the die on there and run it through your embossing machine. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a one-sheet wonder template that you can use to create 5 cards with any pattern paper and supplies you have on hand. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.